Gosh, it's great to see everybody this morning. It's a beautiful day in Bellingham, Washington, where I am. And I'm so happy that I've got people here joining me to talk about how we can get more energy, how we can have less symptoms, and just feel better when we wake up. I feel like this is a huge message for everyone, young, old, no matter where you are in the world. And it is a message of hope. If you're not feeling good, there are so many ways that this message could help you today, or maybe somebody you know. So I want you to think about this. Maybe it's not directly speaking to you. Who needs less symptoms? Who's feeling bad? Those are the kind of people that we want to reach out to about this amazing new technology that can help us to quickly get rid of symptoms. And that's what I'm teaching about today. How do we quickly get rid of symptoms? And that so that's the big message. And it's easier than you think. Of course. Okay, that's okay. This is effortless energy creation for your body. But today's topic is getting rid of symptoms. And I'm going to teach you how you can do that in just a few seconds. This really only takes a few seconds. I wonder, this is the first question, how's it feel to be in your body? Do you ever feel like it is not doing right by you, like it is betraying you? Because if it is, this is something that you want to consider so that you can feel better when you wake up in the morning and go do your thing, right? The main reason I'm here is to help people as a functional medicine doctor, help people feel better. And so this is all about this technology, which is a quarter-sized patch that you can put on your body to help you feel better. And so this is not just a patch, but this is also a lot of people trying to spread the word. If you have any interest in learning more deeply, because this is going to be just a tip of the iceberg, go to startx39now.com, and there's a QR code right there that you can grab if you want to go to that. You can go to the Younger, Sharper You patch Facebook page, and there's a lot of ways that you can connect with us. I even have a YouTube site where I train more about the patches and things like this. So the fact is that no matter where we are in our life, our ability to repair ourselves is declining. And as we get older, we have fewer and fewer of what we call universal cells, the cells that still can become different kinds of tissues. And if there's any way that we can increase those in the body, it will benefit us. It will make it so that cut doesn't stay hurt, doesn't stay injured so long. Because our body has the ability to heal. And so I'm not talking about a patch diagnosing, treating, or curing any disease. I'm talking a patch that wakes your body up energetically, and also wakes up those universal cells, because your body has the wisdom to heal itself. So the body heals itself. The patch normalizes energy flow, increases energy flow, and according to what patch a person is wearing, can do a lot of amazing things for the body. And when I first found the patches, I couldn't exercise. I was telling people to exercise in my medical practice, yet I couldn't because I was so tired. Energy was the issue, energy and pain. And when I found the patches, it totally changed that for me. I now heal much faster, and I am feeling so much more energized when I wake up in the morning. That's what I want for you. I want more of these universal cells for you too, because they can help your body to make the tissues it needs to repair. So this is light-based biotech. This is not a non-transdermal patch. It gives no medication. It helps optimize energy flow, and that does a lot of great things within a cell. It lets you make the proteins you need in order to repair, feel better, have energy. So how does it work? Because y'all are looking at this and saying, there's no light there. I know, you're smart. Well, in fact, you and I, we're beings of light, right? Isn't it beautiful? And when you place a patch onto your body, the body interacts with the heat coming from your body itself. So you're the battery, and it reflects back energy to the body. And that is how it can do so many dramatic things. This is a wonderful picture of a before and after of a horse. This horse is 31 years old. And after 6 months of wearing these patches, a change in the horse's coat, Obviously, that is a different horse. If you look at the heat map, much cooler horse, which is what we all want, is to reduce inflammation. And, as a practitioner, I spend all day trying to guide people to reduce inflammation because that is a source of chronic illness, pain, disease. And when we can reduce that, we can reduce symptoms, right? And so here's the guy that made it all happen, David Schmidt, amazing. He is incredible, and this is cutting edge, patented technology. There's nothing else like it in the marketplace. That is, there are other people that have made stickers, but they do not do the same things as this light therapy does. And so there's different flavors of the patches. And when I am not feeling good, my kids are not feeling good, when I've injured something, the first thing I'm reaching for is a patch. And the granddaddy of all these is the X39. The X39 is the most powerful because it reflects back specifically interacting with the skin in order to help stimulate those universal cells that we talked about. And that is what we all need really to feel better and let our symptoms go. We see a clear increase in energy, improvement in cognition, strength, stamina. There are no drugs, no medication going in. And generally people perform better. And that's what I found, being a girl who couldn't exercise. I started to be able to run again because my ankle felt better after the doctor told me I would never run without pain. I started to jog. I ended up running long distances, which was surprising to anyone who really knew me. So this is an incredible way that you can improve your overall health and strength and stamina. Feel great when you get up. X49 is specific to that strength and stamina aspect, and these two are the dynamic duo, X39 and X49, for that strength and stamina, just feeling better. I want to show you a few pictures of what I call the LifeWave glow. This is after people have used the X39 for a short period of time, because the X39, when you see these external changes, that means that something big is happening internally, right? They didn't put anything on their faces, and you're going to notice a huge change in their faces. They were wearing a patch on the back of their skin that helped stimulate. When you put the X39 onto your skin, it actually stimulates thousands of genes to shift how they're expressing, and they begin to express as though they were younger genes. That's why these people, I have to say, they look younger. I'm calling that. And they did not put anything on their faces to make them look younger. Isn't that interesting? This is from a patch that they placed on their neck. That's the LifeWave glow. Other things that we see externally reflect the internal improvement, and that's things like this bruise from an angiogram. The doctor said that it would take 3 to 4 weeks to heal up. We see on day 3 and day 5. And that's not because the patch is healing, curing, diagnosing any disease. The patch is letting the body do what it knows how to do. Your body knows how to heal. How can we wake that up? This is someone who used a patch on the back of their neck and notice a change in the appearance of their scar after using the patch for a month. And you can see that clear change. Now, when you look at the scar appears quite different. I know this person was really happy with their results after using the X39 for a month. That's really amazing, right? So how do you get it? It's the cup of coffee. It is the price of Starbucks. You can choose whether you want to purchase it for the retail price, $5 a day. That's the frou-frou coffee beverage, or you want to get it wholesale, which is what I suggest. Being a preferred customer, a brand partner, you can get that wholesale for just $3.33 a day to have your universal cells working for you to feel better. The nice thing also is there is a 90-day money-back guarantee. That is a true gift. So you can try it risk-free. It's worth giving it a try if you're not feeling good. And also, when I think of all the medications I've handed out in my life, right, as a physician, this is very low risk. I mean, if somebody has a reaction to the X39, sometimes we will see people when they really need it, they notice that they feel a little tired at first because it's starting processes going in the body. And that is a beautiful thing. I feel like those are the people who will benefit the most. But the fact is that this takes time in order to heal, to help your body heal itself. Just trying it for a week is not necessarily going to show you what it can do long term. So you want to, I usually say 3 months is a good period, good amount of time, although I've seen people with long-term issues get great improvement only by using for 6 months. And so they stayed the course because they knew what it was doing. And it wasn't until 6 months that they got their big breakthrough. But this is available all over the world. So if you have friends internationally, they can use this. It's supported by science, clinical studies, not just LifeWave studies, but independent researchers and universities also have looked at these. It also is, you guys know, this is a side gig for me. I'm primarily a physician, but this is a way that I help get people better faster by suggesting this. And if you have any interest in making a little extra money, I can teach you how to share this, how to put patches on people. And it's really fun. It's really fun when you can help people feel better and also make a little bit of side money, money on the side. This is a QR code. If you take this QR code, you'll find a link to lots of different presentations where you can learn more about the patches. And I encourage you to grab that QR code. This is a multi-team presentation schedule, so you're sure to be able to find one of those meetings where you can hear stories, because the stories are truly the best. And this is the time to engage. And I hope that this is helpful to you to learn a little bit about how this light technology works, and to think about who in your life needs this, because I'm honored to be able to share this bright new ideas with people. All right, everybody, we're going to say bye to our streamers. I hope that you guys have an awesome day, and I will see all of you guys hopefully tomorrow. Come back, come bring your questions, right? You can join me in my Zoom room at teamfeelgoodzoom.com. All right, see you guys later. Have a great day.